So we found a parking spot, guys, and now we're going to see Uncle's barber shop. Nah, itong pangitaon si Uncle diri lusot. Diri ka okay, lusot daw. We're here. Good thing they're not that busy today.
Yeah, you park a long way away.
We park just on the other side of the building. Yeah.
Ayo, ma'am.
Di hara sa kanang dapita dito ng
construct na.
oh, diha mo na bitaw mga bugasan diha. Oh, diha ra. Lingkod sa milin, lingkod.
Iya, ma'am. Nanay mo gud
Bitaw. Busy man kaayo ro kay panood to man gud kasi. Kano sa yung lunch break? 12? Dali.
ma'am.
12:30. Dali sa milin lingkod. Diri magpatupi si Uncle. This is where Uncle have haircuts all the time. No. Gusto ka magpatupi? You wanna have a haircut? Okay. Dali, ikot. Have a seat. She wants to come with us because she wants to know where Uncle gets his haircut. Sa milin. Tudlo si Uncle isa yung parking. We're done in here, guys. Dekat sa milin. Anang ko. We just keep going straight. Keep going straight.
Babae.
On the left, on the left. Good job, Samilin.
I made it. Thanks to Salmon.
Yay! Uy, wow! We're here, guys. Very nice, honey, your haircut. I like it.
Yeah, he does a good job.
You look so nice and handsome.
Oh,
Great.
Very nice of you to say.
Huh?
That's very generous of you to say that.
Of course. Isn't it look nice or Uncle? Handsome na si Uncle, no? Yeah, see, Samilin's, Samilin agree. Okay, the king koy now. Ayun na, di na mo. Play without asking. She's back to king koy now. Let's watch, guys. Thank you, Samilin, for opening the gate. Okay?
I'm so surprised.
I know, she opened the gate. When we got home, she closed it.
Wow.
Wow. She's so grown now.
Yeah.
Cashews. Guys, someone came here very hungry. Came here looking for food. You guys have food. So, thankfully, you know, Maribena cooked some rice earlier and she cooked some sardines with shrimp paste in it with egg and tomatoes. Very good. And I also cooked that inoki, that marites. We supposed to give it to her and she forgot about it. So we cooked it this morning and we ate it. Yeah, and she texted me, oh, I'm on the way there. Because they don't have school tomorrow because tomorrow is Independence Day.
Independence Day!
Yeah. And, well, Dennis already ate breakfast. He had scrambled eggs and I cut up that avocado for him. And then, oh my gosh, she wants more of
Ura
that.
mo kag ikatulong na ka nagdugang gate.
Yeah, it's very good actually.
Kapit na naurot ang rice.
Pakita daw dun.
La,
Hala,
this
Marites.
is half earlier.
Uy, Marites, we didn't even eat that much rice and
Alangan galang man ang kakaon.
yeah, it's very good actually with the shrimp paste in it, just a good amount of saltiness in it, and it's really good.
No?
Yeah,
Ako na good na.
yeah. Oh, you know Maribin cooked it. It's always good if Maribin cooked it. And Marites also cooked some boiled eggs. Oh my gosh!
Hindi na kilo.
It seems like Marites did not eat for 3 days.
Gate unsa naman to.
Ambok bigay kayo no.
Yeah, oh, as long as you know, cause
We're not 100 kilos.
yeah,
Malasado.
you wanna be
Ayo.
as fat as Migi?
No. Pala pa diha.
I asked
Gate 20 pa ba yung kagi?
I asked Samilin yesterday. Samilin, do you wanna be as fat as me? I was laughing so hard. Yeah, boy.
Grabe di ko malasado.
Maribin told you that you know, it's still very undercooked. You didn't listen.
Gutom man gud.
Some because she said she's too hungry. A hungry college
You have
student.
enough allowance gate and you didn't eat.
Yeah,
Ko snack ko
I give
Gamay ra po ang pamahaw oy.
give enough allowance.
Dali man. Gamay ra man ang pamahaw nyo. Kuha may snack.
Ibalik na lang na oh, pwede naman na.
Oh, pwede ra na ikuan ra na daw.
Kani man oh.
Daw. Ay, lami mong guna. Ako makaon ko muna.
Basta lang
kayo.
mo na.
Maribin just finished taking a bath, and today guys they're going home with Samilin. Ko Samilin and her family are going to the mountains tomorrow at Samuel's parents' place.
Tamilin is very busy.
Yeah, she is busy going places tomorrow. She's going to the mountain and then
Going to Davao, Tagum twice, and then going to the mountain.
twice or 3 times.
Twice.
Oh, twice. Wow, Samilin is running around with us. It's such a good thing, guys, that she don't get car sick. So that's good. And we were lucky yesterday that the weather was good when we went to the beach, because oh, she's done in there. The second mother there to the rescue, because she's done. Because today, guys, is very overcast and not good weather today. Guys.
Hi guys.
Hello everybody. Samilin requested that she wants to watch our video yesterday. Oh my gosh, on the TV. Wow. We don't actually watch our video always. Yay. She wanted to watch it on TV. So that's our video when we went to the beach.
Mama, I'm going to
Because I wanna sige pag before we leave. Yay! Well, usually the online order is disappointing. Tara si Samilin. Disappointed. This is funny that you wanna watch Auntie's video. If you watch Auntie's video, in case you watch Auntie's video on cell phone, don't skip the ads, okay? Thank you. There was an ad came out on TV when the video about to start, and she said, skip it, Auntie. And I go, well, don't skip the ads, because that's how Auntie earns. What is this? From the ads. Oh my god. See, you cut yourself. There's a million. Right there. Marites is still busy eating here. She's really enjoying the breakfast. Grabe, Marites, you finished the rice. Denise is asleep.
Yesterday, in the last minute, she changed her mind. She's gonna stay as long as
Oh my god, I can't believe we're watching ourselves on YouTube, Samilin.
today or tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. Samilin requested she wants to watch our video from yesterday. Look at,
Oh, okay.
looks like you got some Graham bar. Hala.
Graham bar.
That Mahilin made. Oh, look at Samilin there.
America.
Uy, ang sabat daw sige.
Wow, Samilin going to Davao with us, going to
The commercial just came out from our video. I'm not used to watching our video like on TV, you know? Look at that. It's so big, our face there. I think it's a good thing that the quality of our video it was 1080 that but then I have to pay like 400 pesos a month for the 1080 so I can upload or download the 1080 quality. Yeah. Wow, pizza!
There's nothing pizza, man.
We are vlogging through our vlog. Nginon gani kayo. Lamias pizza. Oh, very delicious the pizza. Give me a bite.
Grabe, dua ka pizza niya. Ipagoy ko niya, iya ka ipa-ibog.
That looks different on a big TV screen.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Samilin was telling Maritis where we went to the beach and you did not come with them.
early, so Samilin, you wanna swim?
Hi guys! So guys, I have a little knife in here. We are going to try this variegated lemon because I've heard that it's very very sweet. It's like orange and Samilin is gonna try it also. Right, Samilin? Oh wow, it's ripe. Oh, see, I told you. Variegated lemon, guys. See? Check it out. The color of the leaves different and look at this. This is ripe already. Isa ra itong kwaon. See, there are some little ones too. Oh, yeah, we can probably pick oh, yeah, very sweet. Supposed to be very sweet. And then, see, there are some small ones here. Maybe we can try it. Pick it.
Mura magbula.
Yeah, it's like flower. No. Ay, ayo paniti kanang kuan ni ba kanang ni ha?
Dili.
Kunay.
Ha? Perting tamisa ni ba? Barigitid man ni. Da ako lang tilawan be. Maybe I'll try it. Try it ge. Kanang tin.
Me.
Nagwas buka maribin the hands.
Mura na nag-uli.
Unya na kami say una kay tilawan na mog tamis ba. We'll try it see if it's really sweet. Unya na kay unahon sa ikaw gi tagay si igi daan. Na ha. Ang isa oy.
Kami isa oy.
Wow, kalami. Nami no. Tamis. Kan aba ko na ba?
Iso.
Iditsu ra niya ko arang liso sa mbaba.
Iso.
Iditsu ba?
Sige.
Pati tamisa day ni no.
Bito dapat bito kayo sa kuha.
Is it sweet?
Wala ning salera.
Woman madam. We cannot even trick you, Samilin. She just go with the flow. When we said sweet, she also said sweet. Even though it's so sour, just like ordinary lemon, guys. Ordinary lemon, see? There's still one that is ripe. This one's here not ripe. Uy, the aphids, oh, I need to spray this kay na yung mga aphids. Samilin? Very sour. Uy, narao kay na yung mga bugs ba, oh? No, oh. I need to spray this, guys. Yan, nara ba yung mga tiny, oh? Tiny lemon. Dagan, uy, bunga, oh.
Ay, bawal man.
Yeah, so that's the variegated lemon. We thought we could trick Samilin, but we cannot. So she went with the flow. When you said it's sweet, she didn't even have a reaction. She also act like it's sweet. This is the regular lemon, guys, or calamansi. Yeah, that it needs to be sprayed too. See, this one's no good. That's why it's yellow. I'm gonna spray this. I'm just gonna use a homemade spray, maybe made with soap and other ingredients. See, this is not doing good because they actually go a lot bigger than this. That was funny that we were gonna try to trick Samilin, but it didn't work. Are you still watching Auntie's video? Yeah, she likes watching the videos that she's in it. She said, "Oh, Auntie, I'm starting to like your video now." She's very funny. Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Good evening. Oh my goodness. What happened? Why I slept for
You
too long?
took a little 4-hour nap.
No, it was not 4 hours.
3.5.
No,
Yeah.
maybe 2.5. Do we even have to argue how long I took?
Whatever.
I got so tired, guys. I guess from all the days of like going places, go here, go there, and yesterday we were supposed to be just staying at home, and because of the brownout, we
Went somewhere.
and I'm glad we did.
It's fun.
We went to the beach and you liked it.
I liked it. Samuel had a great time.
Yeah, and I didn't even know, guys, when I woke up, Maribin and Samilin, they already left. I mean, they had to because it's getting dark. So she said that she even opened the door into our bedroom and she saw me like sleeping deeply.
Mervyn said that?
Yeah.
No.
But you know when they left?
Yeah, I just got done in the weight room and I came in the house and just as they were leaving.
Wow.
Actually, Mervyn had me locked out when I started beating on the door.
Yeah?
And knocking on the door, and then she came and opened it and said they were leaving.
Oh my God.
Yeah, your brother
They
came
didn't-
by.
Oh, they didn't know you were in the exercise room?
No, I guess not. Mhm.
Oh. So Dennis guy said that he went to the exercise room for 1.5 hours?
Yeah, there's nothing else to do. I was bored.
Wow, good for you, honey. 1 hour on the treadmill, you said?
I said 30 minutes on the bicycle and an hour on the weights.
Oh, you didn't use the treadmill?
No.
Wow, I'm so glad for you.
Yeah, felt good.
So right now he's eating the soup for dinner. That's the soup that I froze. I was able to froze like 6 bags of soup because he made a lot last time, and
Very good.
now it smells so good. Like
I thought one out and
I feel like I would like to have that, but I know I'll just give it to you. I'm not gonna eat your soup.
you can have some of it.
No, it's fine. Fine.
You can have plenty. There's plenty here.
Usually I just make 3 or 4 bags and put it in the freezer. Last time I was able to put away like 6
Yeah.
bags. Wow, that was a lot. But that's good because every now and then he just really loved to eat soup.
Yeah.
We really need to get a different refrigerator because that refrigerator we have, the freezer, not much space, plus it creates ice.
Freezes up. Yeah.
Yeah, we need to get one that is
Frost-free.
Frost-free, yeah.
Yeah. And a much bigger one.
Yeah, so that when we, if ever go to Landers or is in Arden, we can stock more stuff for Dennis. So we don't have to worry about,
Mostly the freezer.
yeah, the freezer is the problem.
Yeah.
And we are trying to get the refrigerator. We probably need to place it there, the refrigerator. And we're gonna do I don't know what we're gonna do here. But yeah.
Well, maybe we'll have more pantry made there.
Yeah, maybe. Marites is probably still asleep. I don't know what we're gonna
She
have.
got up a few minutes ago.
Who, Marites?
Yeah.
Oh.
Then she went back in there. And she saw you weren't up.
Yeah, she's tired also from all the activities in school. Although they don't have school tomorrow because of the Independence Day, she's going back tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah, she just wanted to stay here and use the internet
Yeah.
because it's used up a lot of internet, and she's only using the data.
right.
So,
So you
In
should
here.
get a little bowl and I'll give you some of this because it's way too much for me.
no, eat it, honey. We're gonna get a different food. Anyway, enjoy your dinner, honey, and
Well, thank you. What are you guys gonna do?
I don't know. Me and Marites are gonna figure it out. I'm gonna
All right.
talk to her.
Okay.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's see, guys.
So, Marites, did you have a good nap?
Yes, very good.
Very good. I'm glad. Now she is back to her school work. Wow. And she's talking there by herself. While I was out there doing something, she's talking. What's wrong with you? You're talking by yourself. Oh, I'm tired of this. Our teacher had us do this, had do that, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't make sense. And I go, you gotta do what you have to do. Don't give up because you're almost there.
Yes.
So, what's our dinner, Marites? We're planning to either barbecue or just whatever. Maybe, I don't know. We cannot decide yet, so we will see. Dennis already had his dinner. Seems like it's much quieter in here. Maribin and Samilin left. Marites you're going back to your apartment tomorrow? Why? What do you have to do on Friday?
School lang.
School? There's school still?
Whole day, oy.
Kano saan mo mahuman na inyong klase di
1 month po. 9 days man yan. 2 ka subject. 18 days tanan.
Are you actually going to have even a short break from school, like summer, even a couple of weeks? You don't know? Gosh, we will see. Maybe you will have, then you can go on vacation, or maybe when we go to the beach, you can go with us and
Rest, guys, ba?
rest. Yeah, you need to rest. You deserve a little vacation. Anyway, guys, that will be it for today. We're gonna decide, see what we're going to have. I don't know, maybe we'll get some barbecue or just find something to eat here at home. Anything.
Find something na lang kay Kapoy.
Yeah, you can, we can find something here at home. And that is how we end our day, guys. I will have to watch some news now, and there's a soap opera that I have been following that I need to watch because it's almost over, probably in a week and a half, and I've been following it and I need to watch it every night. From Monday to Friday.
Ang sa man.
Soap opera katubang Saving Grace ba?
Oh my God.
Nahuman na ka na.
Wala, pero, man kung tanawan na sa kuwan. Cellphone.
Yeah, well, don't tell me the ending of it. Marites have already watched it, the ending. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see what we're gonna do tomorrow. See you guys. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Good night.
Good night.